everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to clear your Drupal site's cache using both the admin interface and Drush. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the Drupal admin interface method. This is straightforward and requires no additional tools. Log in into your Drupal admin dashboard. From the top menu, navigate to configuration. Scroll down to development section. Click on performance. You will an option labeled clear or cache. Simply click on this button. Drupal will now clear the cache, which can take a few moments. Once it's done, you will see a confirmation message. Here you can see cache clear message. And that's it. Your Drupal cache is now cleared using the admin interface. Now, let's move to the clearing the cache using Drush. If you are not familiar, Drush is a command line, shell and scripting interface for Drupal. To use Drush, you need to have it installed on your server or local environment. Once you have Drush ready, open your terminal and navigate to your Drupal root directory. Here you can see I am in the root directory of my project. To clear the cache, simply type the Drush cr command. Hit enter and Drush will clear the cache for you. This is much faster and more efficient, especially for larger sites. Here you can see cache is clear. And there you have it. Two easy methods to clear your Drupal cache, one through the admin interface and the other using Drush. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Drupal tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.